Yeah, dated Saturday, the 20. My eyes are no more that good. I'm 52 and I've got weak eyes, but 20. It's a Saturday, 20 something. I should have had a larger screen for my phone, but it's February 20 something. Check that. Should be 23rd or 25th. You can confirm that, but it's definitely a Saturday, 2012 of February. I thought I must just take this opportunity to show you what happens in the shack where I live while I'm still writing my article about Mandela's tribalism in South Africa. It is raining, probably you can hear the background. My voice is scarcely audible to you, but this is what happens. I hope the light can show the leaking that goes out. Oh, I should have damaged my computer. Okay, at the bottom here, I've got this bucket that receives the water coming from on top where there is a damn good leakage. Goes the leakage, but there's another one that is starting in my camera. The other side is where I sleep. I'm seated now. My landlord lent me his table. So at least I've got a table where I work, but it's otherwise a very higgledy situation. I want to show you how the raindrops are leaking out there. I sleep with my wife and daughter in this situation. When it rains at night, it's a nightmare. But yeah, people shouldn't come and say, oh, this is fiction, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that is all I wanted to record for now. Thank you.